Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks. I'm John Siwicki, where we try to make AI fun, exciting, accessible for everybody. So today we're just gonna do a super quick look at Copilot inside of PowerPoint. We've done a video about Copilot inside of Excel before, so we figured let's take a look at Copilot inside of PowerPoint. And I'm a person who has not made a PowerPoint without a template in quite some time. So I think let's fire up our Excel, our PowerPoint, and see how far we can go here. I've got I hit my little Copilot button right there, and then we're just gonna start with, let's see. All right, we have some prompts that can help us out. That's pretty cool. Let's see. I want to create presentation. AI tools you should use every day. Let's just start there. Let's be really big. Let's see what it does. Now, as you can imagine, it's going to probably take a few minutes or a few seconds. Okay. All right. Wait. Okay. We got 6 slides. Interesting choice of tools that they broke down, but they gave us 6 slides. I can help you rewrite slides, or you can use Designer to adjust layout. Try to rewrite a slide here. Edit. Add an image of a person typing. Keyboard. It's nice that they have these prompt templates for you. Okay. Well, and can you change the title to Chat GPT? Want to see how far we can edit a presentation without actually editing anything. Then update the bullet point to images, web browsing, and code. I don't know. Obviously, it's more efficient to do it the other way, but let's just say. Okay, so you can really get in there. Let's see, remove the first image. Yeah, let's say remove the first image. Let's get this strange looking laptop image on this. Okay. Okay. So you can really do a lot here. Understand. Summarize this presentation. Okay. And so can you add the summary? Oh, my microphone keeps popping around here. Summary into a intro slide. Okay, we're getting some resistance there. And let's see, we can dictate our prompts. Need more prompts. Let's see if there's anything more interesting here. Add an agenda slot and add images. Okay, this is cool. You can mark some slides, some prompts, save prompts. So add an agenda slide. It's nice to have for getting up and running, but hey, okay, cool. All right, so that's just a quick little taste of Copilot inside of PowerPoint. I think it's pretty cool. If you're making a lot of presentations, there's probably a lot of value in this for you. Like the same critique I think we had of the Excel integration. It's a lot of money for a person. So you're looking at, if you're not in your work account, you're looking at I think it's $5.99, $6.99 for a 365 subscription. And then you put on the Copilot subscription, which is 20. So you're looking at $27 a month. Which is a lot just for office integration. But if you're in it all the time and you're doing a lot of this, the time savings I can see making that cost not feel as bad. But I will say that having it integrated into something is a little bit more, yeah, it's nice. It's nice having the kind of deep integration inside the application, but I think cost wise, hard to justify at this moment. I wish they would just have like a higher tier 365 subscription. 2 bills annoys me. But that's a little look at PowerPoint inside of Copilot inside of PowerPoint. So thanks everybody, and we'll see you next time.